Hi. So today I want to share my views with all of you. As we all are going through a very tough time and lots of unfavorable conditions are happening all around, which is giving us fear, anxiety, stress. But I want to tell you that just thinking about ourselves, that what will happen to my finances, or how am I going to sustain my job, or how am I going to manage my studies, whatsoever, this is not going to give you a solution. And only you are not the alone who is going through this situation this way. Each one of us is facing the crisis in one or the other way. We all are sailing through the same boat right now. So keep this thing in mind, and definitely we can overcome this phase very smoothly. You know what is the way to overcome? Rather than just talking about number of cases are increasing or this is happening, that is happening, we should be a part of change. And how can we be the part of change? By bringing a change in our inner core of our being, by bringing a change in which we look at the situation, by bringing a change in our perspective. So how can you bring a change? By sticking to your inner self, by sticking to your inner strength, which is capable of overcoming any worse situation. So sticking towards the fountain of joy which is lying in yourself, which is there in yourself, will help you to sail this situation very smoothly. And keep in mind that whomsoever person we talk to, we should not give them stress. We should not just talk about what is happening. Rather than we should give them a sense of belief and relief that we are going to overcome this situation very smoothly. Just pray from your heart. Stick to the inner strength that we all are made up of. So from now onwards, what we have to do, all of us as a responsible person, today we should take a commitment that daily we should call at least 2 to 3 people and just say them we are going to overcome this situation very soon. So by sticking towards your inner self, by being centered towards your inner core of being, is a secret to rebuild and recreate any situation. So with all new hopes, with all new enthusiasm and joy, we all of us are going to build a beautiful world which is much better than the world we used to live in. We are going to create that world very soon, and all of us together need to hold our hands and spread the waves all around. Thank you.